This is the longer form video, the short I made on counting labels with its bench scale. So in this example, I have 5 labels rolled up, and it's showing you the count feature specifically. So what we're actually going to do is tear out this part that we don't actually need, because this is not part of the labels. So I'm going to put it on here, and you can see the weight of it. You can press tear, and it tears it out. So what I'm going to do is actually add these are 10 labels actually, to be correct. Place 10 labels on here, and I can press count, and PCS shows up, and I can go through and put how many pieces I want. The best to do is actually put as many pieces as you can. It'll be more accurate that way. So I'm just going to use 10 for now, and I press print, and actually 10 pieces show up, and I have 5 pieces here, so 15. Another 5 pieces, 20 pieces. So in this example, I could show if I have this many pieces, but if I have a whole roll here that I need to get how many pieces are in this roll, because that would tear it out this part. All is left is just the labels. So this would be a quick way. I could place it on here, and I get the total 510, in this case, pieces I have on there, and I can press count to see that is the gram of the total labels, just labels. So that way you tear it out, this part. So the way the labels count, go back. And let's say if I want to count pieces again, I can reset it by pressing count and print. Pieces again. So this example, if I want to do the same thing again, but I remember I teared this out, so I can put this. I'm going to try 20 pieces now. So 20 pieces. 20 pieces. So now, see I have 20 pieces here. So there's 0 pieces. Move the weight. And you can see it should be around the same. Let's place on here. File 5. If I add 5 pieces, add 5. This is 10. So 520. And then add 5 more. 525. So that's an accurate way how to get piece count. This specifically for these labels. But next, I can show you how to do it for the bottle caps. So I have a set of bottle caps that I want to get the piece count of. So I've already done it previously, a piece count, but this is a different size of each individual piece. So what I'm going to do is actually reset the count by pressing count and print pieces. So in this specific example, I'm going to do 5. So 5 bottle caps, 3, 4, 5. So PCS, make that to 5 pieces. And now showing N, 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 N. Because right now, N means it's going negative. Remember, if you watched previous part, I teared out this part. But now it's showing negative weight. So I can't count negative pieces. So what I'm actually going to have to do is remove this. Press count. See, it's negative 51 grams. I put the caps on there, so the negative weight. It doesn't know what negative pieces are. So re-tear. And should be 0. So place 5 caps. 45 grams. If I press count, it's going to say diamond pieces. It doesn't know what it is. So I have to press count and print to reset it again. You have 5 pieces. Make that to 5. So now I have the correct amount, 5 pieces. So you can see I add 2 more, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So every single time you waste something and trying to get the count feature, you're going to have to re-tear out. So remove everything off from here. Back to 0, go to count. And if you have a negative weight on there, it's example you tear the container or bag or whatever it is, you're going to have to go back to count, make sure it's in grams, make sure you re-tear it out, make sure it's 0 or 0.0, whatever it is. And if I want to weigh these bottle caps, for example, I have 3, 4, and 5. Place on here. Look nice. And I can press count. See, it doesn't work because it says 2 pieces, even though it's 5. I have to reset it again. So press count and print. And make that to 5. Because remember, each cap in the situation had a different weight. So I'm just gonna keep adding more. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So if you have sort of like a bag and you need to tear out the bag, and then you just put the whole bag on there, and now you can get the total amount of pieces in a bag or a container or whatever it is. But make sure to tear it out, and then you can place the weight on there and press the count button. And if you've already done a previous count, then you press count and print to reset. So thank you. Bye.